Hey travelers, welcome to another TMR tour. I'm Stacy and today we're taking a look over at All Star Music at their king size room. First off, we're going to start over in the front of the room at the bar, where you will find your ice bucket, extra cups, coffee maker, a drawer for snacks, and then on the bottom is your mini fridge for all your extra beverages. In this room, there's a table on wheels so that you can move it to where you need it, as well as 2 chairs. The dresser has 3 spacious drawers for your clothing, as well as a cabinet that has the safe in it. Over the bed with your Fab 5 characters, you will find the light switches, as well as plenty of outlets and USB ports for all of your technology. The cabinet is set up for hanging your clothes, as well as there's an ironing board and iron. The vanity is a single sink vanity with plenty of cubbies and vanity space, and a lighted mirror all the way around, in addition to your makeup mirror. The pocket door opens to reveal the tub shower and toilet, which can be closed off. Inside the shower, there's a little cubby space for your own shampoos, as well as the Disney provided ones. The shower head in here is a stationary rain shower. What's great about this bathroom setup is that there's plenty of vanity space and storage space, as well as that it's sectioned off so that people can use each area with their own privacy. This room features a king-size bed and 5 pillows. I really enjoyed staying in this room. It felt like there was plenty of room in here for everybody in my party. Nobody was on top of each other, and we could each have our own private spaces while we were getting ready for our day. For more stories from our travels, join our live streams on Facebook and YouTube. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Leave comments below with the things that you want to learn more about.
Subscribe for more Disney tips and check out our blog at tmr-tours.com. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh!